have two different pans. They're both non-stick. This is just an ordinary non-stick frying pan shape. And yours...
It's more of a crepe pan because it has a shallow side, but it's the same type of non-stick. This is bigger, it's about 9 inch, and yours
and this is about 6 inches.
Yeah, right.
You know.
So, shall we start?
Yes. And this is about, what did we say, about a quarter?
About a quarter of a cup, yes, you put there.
I want it very thin, so I'm turning it all around.
Yeah, it's very important to stir it very fast. And we have a beautiful crepe here, as it cooked, because the side here is the crepe dentelle.
Lacy.
The lacy. I'll put mine too.
I'm going to wait
and
until...
it has to brown a little bit. It's important to put it on this side here, not in the center, and move the pan. You put it here and you swirl it around. And even at the end, you shake it to fill up your pan, you know? Because as soon as the batter touch the pan, it coagulates and set. So if you don't spread it fast, you're going to have a thick crepe. So the secret of a thin crepe is really to spread it out fast. That's browning pretty beautiful. Sometimes if you bang it a little bit, you know.
That's going to do.
That loosens the...
Sure, that loosens now it should.
That's it. Beautiful.
I'd have browned a tiny bit more, but that's okay.
That's beautiful,
and
the
this is
dentelle there.
What you call the public side of the crepe, the nicest side.
And mine, again, you know, if I bang it like this, I'd get it loose a little bit, yeah.
Great.
Yeah. Okay, when I cook a little bit on the other side.
Then if you have too much in, you can pour it out and then scrape it off with a rubber. Nobody's going to see this side because it's not the public one.
Here we are. So if you don't put enough batter on the other end and you don't finish, fine, no problem. Put a little more here. It's going to set up. No one will know about it. It's better to put less than too much.
That looks good. Turn it by hand.
That's right.
Very nice looking, that one.
Yes, it is. I think yours is better looking than mine. It's a little brown.
Well,
you like it?
I like mine a little brown.
Yes.
I'll just put it off here. And then you can make these crepes ahead. And I actually, if I'm going to do them ahead, I like to put them on a rack and let them cool off. Then you can stack them and freeze them, and you can make a crepe dessert anytime you want.
Yes.
Now we're going to do a wonderful gâteau of crepes. This is crepes and jam and nuts. And this was invented by the Hungarian great-grandmother of our friend Susie.
Of Susie. Now, so we're doing the gâteau Susie and the Crepes Suzette today.
So that's very nice. And this is just any kind of nuts all ground up, a mixture or just pecans. I think great-grandmother did them with just pecans, didn't she?
Are we going to serve that with chocolate sauce on top?
We are indeed.
Otherwise, you could put chocolate, I suppose, inside.
You could put anything you wanted.
Yes, well, almost.
It's sort of a wonderful...
Banana, you know, maybe sliced fruit would be good, too.
You can put anything you'd like.
And then usually we do what about?
As many as you have crepes.
The more the better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think that should be just about the last layer. We must have at least 20 here, right?
And we'll save some for the next time.
Absolutely. Here we are.
There's the final crepe.
The final crepe.
That's going to be covered by the chocolate sauce.
That's good, beautiful. We are serving a chocolate sauce with that, so you want it directly on top?
Deliciously.
And
but not so much covered that we wouldn't have any idea what it was.
Good.
Yeah,
yes.
That's about it.
Well, I think we're going to cut it directly into a nice wedge here. This is beautiful. It cut very easily,
That's
too.
lovely, yes.
Look at that.
Well, now that's beautiful. There's a little morsel. That looks very nice. I think this is a very good idea. That will please children and adults alike.
Crepe, raspberry, and chocolate can't go wrong.
Susie's great-grandmother's gâteau de crepe.